Meaning of hypoglycemia.
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 Hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is a medical condition characterized by abnormally low blood sugar levels. It occurs when the body's glucose supply is depleted, or when insulin levels are too high relative to glucose levels. This can result in a range of symptoms, including dizziness, weakness, confusion, seizures, and loss of consciousness. Hypoglycemia can be caused by many factors, such as poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, certain medications, and underlying health conditions. Treatment involves consuming sugary foods or drinks to rapidly raise blood sugar levels, along with addressing the underlying cause of the condition.